Bank of England held interest rates steady at 5%. The central bank provided a cautious outlook suggesting that further interest rate cuts may be on the horizon as inflation pressures are expected to ease. This move reflected a careful move by the Bank of England aiming to support economic growth while keeping inflation in check.
The Bank of England held interest rates at 5% on Thursday. The board of Britain's central bank voted 8-1 to keep rates on hold, largely in line with analyst projections. It comes a month after the BOE delivered its first cut to borrowing costs since 2020. It struck a cautious tone Thursday as Governor Andrew Bailey said cooling inflation pressure meant the central bank should be able to cut rates gradually over the months ahead. But he said it was vital inflation stay low, so they should be careful not to cut too fast or by too much. The BOE said inflation was likely to rise to around 2.5% by the year's end from 2.2% in the most recent data. Investors scaled back bets on further cuts for the rest of the year after Thursday's announcement. They think the central bank will slice rates at a slower rate than the US Federal Reserve over the next year, citing more persistent inflation pressure. The decision follows Wednesday's move by the US Federal Reserve to cut rates by 0.5 percentage points. That was larger than expected and showed the Fed's confidence inflation pressures were cooling.